So it says, which of the following tables of equivalent ratios are completed correctly? Select two that apply. So two of these are completed correctly and are equivalent, and the other two are not. So we have to figure out what they are. So let's look for the pattern. 3 to 4, I can't multiply anything by 3 to get to 4. So the pattern has to be going down. So I have to go from 3 to 6. I times it by 2. So if I times that by 2, then I must have to times 4 by 2. Okay, then I go down again. Let's see what the pattern is. 4 times what gives me 12. 3 times what gives me 9. And it would be 3. So I would say 3 times 4 and 3 times 3. Okay, so let's go to 15 and then to 12. What times 3 gives me 12? 4. 4 times what gives me 15? 4 times 4 is 16. So this one's wrong because it's 15 and I can't multiply 4 by anything. And since I had to do 3 times 4 and I would have to do 4 times 4, that can't give me 4 times 4 is not 15. So A is wrong. So I will not be circling A. So let's go to B. Let's figure out our pattern here. So let's see, can I go 8 to 20? 8, 16. No, I cannot. So I will not get, it's not going down. So it must be going across. So 2 times what gives me 8? 2 times 4. So let's see if 5 times 4 gives me 20. Yes, 5 times 4 does give me 20. Does 8 times 4 give me 32? 8 times 4 does give me 32. And is 15 times 4 60? 15 times 4 is 60. So B is an answer. I had to figure out another one, and the reason B is an answer is because the pattern goes through the entire chart and it completes it. So that means it is an equivalent chart. So let's figure it out here. Well, 1 times what? 6 times what gives me 1? Well, I would have to divide to do that. So then I can actually do 1 times 6. Let's see if 2 times 6 gives me 12. 2 times 6 does give me 12. Does 5 times 6 gives me 30. And let's see if 7 times 6 gives me 42. Yeah. So this one is also equivalent. C is also equivalent. I do not need to worry about D because it just wants me to pick 2, so I'm done.